Hey everyone, this is Mike from Altair here in Lincoln, Nebraska, and I wanted to show you the Altair Aerial Outlaw SE and a quick start how to get connected and flying fast. So the first thing you're going to do on the controller is hold down the red lock key while turning the controller on. You're going to get a red blinking light there. Then connect the battery to the drone. You'll hear those sounds. Lock it underneath. Then you need to give it about 8 seconds for it to connect, and you'll get another double beep noise when it's ready. There we go. Next thing you do is rotate the drone horizontally in a circle 360 degrees about 3 times until the lights change colors to green. So there they change from yellow to green. And you're going to hold it with the camera vertical straight up and rotate 3 times until the lights change from green to yellow and red. So pretty fast, pretty easy. Put it down. To unlock the propellers, you just press the red lock key. And then if we were outside, we would be ready to fly, because this is definitely not an indoor drone, it's an outdoor drone. So don't try flying it inside. Thanks.